Business Analysis, Activity Diagram. Welcome everyone. During this presentation, we will learn what an activity diagram is and what it is used for. So, what is an activity diagram? An activity diagram describes the sequencing of activities in a process and, if possible, the participants responsible for each activity. It also describes the objects used by the process. It is used together with other analysis techniques. Let me give you an example of what an activity diagram looks like. This is an activity diagram of checking customer master data. There are two participants, which are the logistics department and the master data team. Please have a look at the diagram carefully, and then we will go through the modeling elements. The two areas divided by the gray line are called partitions. In UML, it is referred to as swim lanes. The point highlighted on the side is called initial node. This signs where the activity begins. There should be one per diagram. The lines ending in an arrow indicate the direction of time and the flow of the process. Those are called the control flow. Each blue box represents a task or step in the process. The blue box is referred to as activity. The text indicated in square brackets is called guard. It is a condition that may be used in the diagram. If it is true, the process continues. If it is not true, it will split into other alternative branches. The diamond shape highlighted on the side is called decision. It may have one incoming arrow or inputs and more outgoing arrows or outputs. A decision node signs that there is a condition before the process goes on. Each branch after the decision has a condition associated with it. A decision node may have three types of branches: normal, exception, and default. Now let's see those most common elements of an activity diagram that were not present in our example. First is event. An event is indicated as a label without brackets on a control flow. When an event happens, it interrupts a previous activity. The next one is merge. Merge is indicated as a diamond with more than one incoming flow and only one merged outgoing flow. It brings together multiple alternate flows. Object flow and object. Object flow is an arrow that connects an activity to an object. An object is a required input, created or updated by an activity. The last symbol is the fork and join. It is used to mark beginning and end of parallel activities. The fork node splits a flow into multiple concurrent flows, while the join node synchronizes multiple flows. The point highlighted on the slide is called final node, which is where the activity is completed. An activity diagram can have more than one exit in the form of activity final nodes. Thank you once again for your time and attention, and this is businesstraining.com, where you can earn a master's level qualification to make more money.